All right, chicos. We are off on our first rental tour this morning. Welcome, welcome. Here in Oaxaca City. Beautiful, beautiful city of Oaxaca, Mexico. Vámonos, vámonos.
Can we go up there?
Yeah. Beautiful corridor back here, man. Absolutely beautiful. Check it out, check it out. So we do have a line on two places to view today. This one here, we're supposed to view it at 10 o'clock this morning. It was only a 20-minute walk from our Airbnb, so we thought we'd walk this morning and take you guys along with us. Check out the sights and sounds. So we had a great first night here, guys. We went out for some tacos. They were a little bit pricey, but it was pretty good. It was like 100 pesos for one shrimp taco. It was pretty expensive. But it was very, very delicious. We are really enjoying the cooler temperatures in the morning and the evening. Like last night, we went for a walk in the park, and it was like 20 Celsius. It was so nice. And right now, it's only like 23. It's going to get hot as the day goes on, but you got that reprieve here in the morning and in the evening, guys. So much beautiful artwork everywhere. Wow.
Motorcycle.
All right, guys, so we just got to go to the end of this street, and then we're going to take a right. Now, the other viewing that we have is tonight at 5 o'clock. Or, sorry, 6 o'clock. But I'm still waiting for confirmation on that one. Hopefully she gets back to me. Cementerio? Okay, vámonos, vámonos. Oh, that breeze feels nice. Well, chicos, this is it up here. A dead-end street here. We're pretty high up here now. I got a beautiful view of the mountains over here and over back behind us this way. Not far from the airport, obviously. It'll be quiet back here anyway. We're a bit early.
¿De qué trae? Por ahorita apenas me van a dar las carnes. Tengo algo gordo y luego con chorizo. Vamos a comer la de queso y queso. Sí, cuando va a mamá, cuando va a ya había todo el mundo con el cabrón.
So delicious.
Yeah, it's really good. Mine's really good too.
Oh my god, this is good.
But I put salsa on mine. Jen didn't put any hot sauce. And it's still really good. All right, chicos, so we had one taco each and one memela. And they were delicious. And it was 80 pesos for our breakfast this morning for the two of us on the street. Okay, let's go check out this apartment, guys. Wait. Oh. All right. All right, chicos, back we go. We're a couple minutes early, but I think it should be okay. It's a very nice neighborhood here. We really like it a lot. So far, anyway. Oh, peaceful down here. Like it's a dead end back here, so there won't be no traffic, which is a bonus. And it looks like you got a pretty decent view from the top of the mountains over there. Okay, guys, let's go in and check it out. Open that little man door. Oh, okay, so free parking here. Oi. Okay, so you got kind of like a little gated area here, and it is the little blue house.
Yes.
Oh, beautiful. Very nice. Ah. Ooh. Okay. All right, looks pretty nice, guys. They got a full kitchen, beautiful dining room, living room all in one, bathroom, shower looks nice. Very, very nice. Oh, I like them here. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. So, and 2 bedrooms. No AC. I thought there was AC in this house. I guess not. Okay. And the second bedroom, and there's a little workstation here. Okay, it does have ceiling fans. It's not hot in here, it is fresh. I do like the kitchen. It's very, very nice. And you got a beautiful view, an absolutely beautiful view. Okay, well, I'll put all the particulars up there for you guys, the price and what it comes with. I'll add that in a bit here. Hold on tight, chicos. All right, chicos, we're just gonna take a look at this blue place here now. We'll go inside. Oh. Okay. Oh yeah, this place is very, very nice. Very, very nice. Nice entranceway. Very, very nice. Okay, very beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful view of the city there. Very nice. Wow. I like this one better.
Really?
Yeah, it's nicer because of the view, and for the dogs, Perro's okay to go out there. Okay, this place is really, really nice, guys. I really like this place here. Like, wow, look at that bed frame. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, this is a nice place. Lots of cupboard space here. Like, excellent cupboard space. The bathroom is really nice too. Nice bathroom. Very, very nice. Wow. Okay. Oh, and it's got the bench seat too. I like it. High ceiling in here. You got a skylight up there. You got two skylights up there actually, guys. Nice. Very, very nice. And look at this furniture. Like, wow. Sorry about the dogs barking there, guys. They got dogs all over the neighborhood here, and little CC's losing his marbles here. So here's the cable internet's here. It's yeah, it's cable internet. It's pretty fast, and this place does have AC. And oh, I just love the bed frames here. This one's the same. Nice. Very nice. No AC in the bedroom, but that's okay. Oh, nice. We got mirrors on both sides. This is really, really nice. But you got AC up here, so that's really good. I love this furniture. Like, check this out. Nice wood. Wow. Nice table. Nice cooktop. Full-size fridge. Nice kitchen. Lots of cupboard space. This is really, really nice. Got a portable island there. You could move around if you want. Okay, let's let Jennifer come in and have a look. And look at the view here, guys. You get a nice cross breeze here too. Beautiful view of the city. Oh my God. Yeah, this is absolutely beautiful. Oh yeah.
They do concerts and stuff there. We'll get a free.
Oh, okay. Oh, this place is really, really nice. There's no parking because there's no space here. I'd have to park in the street. So it's not a big deal, but so far this is the winner. All right, Chicos. Thank you so much for joining me today. We really appreciate it. Well, thank you so much for joining us today. Not just me. Thank you for being here with us today, guys. That place is 13,000 pesos per month, and you have to pay for the electricity, which is normal because it's got air conditioning. So other than that, everything's included. The internet's included, and the water, all utilities are included other than the electricity. So, and we love this street in the neighborhood, like you saw where we just ate. Like a very, 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 very quiet neighborhood, especially being on a dead-end street like that. I think, guys, we're just gonna go ahead and take that place because it really, the second one that we looked at, it really checks all of our boxes. So, and the location is pretty decent too, so we can't complain. So anyway, guys, God bless. Peace on earth. Adios, hasta luego, and as always, be kind to one another. Take care. Thumbs up.
Pero lo hago con mucho respeto, pues el remero es mi decreto.
De la frontera y Xochimilco para el mundo. Cumbia.
La cumbia en Xochimilco. Esta es la cumbia de buenos amigos. Suena la cumbia en Xochimilco. Y en los canales voy a navegar y por las aguas voy a trabajar. Y en los canales voy a navegar